Good Fiona. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, don't slip. Huh. Good Fiona. All right. Come on. Oh! Give me that. Give me that stick. Come on. Give me the stick. Come on. Come on. Give me the stick. Give me the stick. Come on. Give me the stick. There we go. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. There you go. All alone in the playground. Fetch the stick. Come on. This is your element, Fiona. You love snow. This is your first snow. The first snow Fiona's seen in her whole life. Yep. Oh, here we go. Oh, now you're eating snow, huh? Yeah, it's good. Nice cold water. Yum, yum. You're munching snow like a cow. Huh? Munching snow like a cow, huh? Okay, good girl. And eating sticks. All right, whatever you want. Okay, let's go home. Let's go home and get warm, you snow-eating dog. You're grazing on the snow like a cow. Yep. Eating the snow like a cow. Okay. Let's go home.